another week, another challenge. I got my buddy Ridley here to help with cooking. He's probably gonna jump off this chair at some point. We'll see what happens. So, tonight's meal, I kind of try to keep it open-ended. I think this is gonna turn out great. So that's what we're doing. We're doing tater tot nachos. Yeah, sorry. Oh my God. Now he wants more treats. So yeah, tater tots. Pick some up at your local store, whatever brand you prefer. We did Crowns tonight, and yeah, you're just gonna cook them in the oven, whatever the instructions are. I think we did what, like
425?
425, 13 minutes or something. We took them out, and then here's the key where Uncle Dan's comes into play. You want to put them in a metal bowl after you cook them, and then turn the TV off. God. We're gonna throw some salt in there, which I have some back here. Okay, so you're just gonna salt these suckers up real good. Kind of toss them around a little bit. Lucy, please be quiet. Yeah.
That's the Chamberlain house, for real.
Exactly, always. And then we went with Zesty Ranch tonight to season up our tots here. So yeah, if you want to get a good look at this, Mom, we're just gonna pour it all over. Probably could have used the big boy for this. In fact, we will. Here. Yeah, these shakers are awesome. There we go. Gonna shake it around real good. The seasoning will kind of disappear and soak into the tots. Looking good. Okay. They're nachos, so it's real easy. You guys know how to make nachos. Use whatever you got at home. We got some black beans, onions, tomatoes, cheese, and yeah, you're just gonna get them all decorated here. So we'll start with the cheese real quick.
Well, just so you know, we did have avocados, but Dalton doesn't know how to pick out ripe avocados.
You're supposed to trash talk buns, not me, Mom. Come on.
Yeah, but you're losing, so you need to get it together.
I am losing. So maybe we can turn things around this week.
Please.
I figured nachos is a good way. You want to throw some bacon on here, some chorizo, ground beef, whatever you want to do. It's quick and easy. You can throw meat in this if you want to. We're not going to. That's all right. Don't forget to head over to UncleDans.com. You want cool shakers like this with a whole bunch of seasoning in them. That's where you're going to get them. UncleDans.com. Get some black beans on there. Let's do jalapenos too. Spice it up. Yeah, sorry.
It's okay, we know which one you'll be eating.
Yeah.
Be picking up the jalapenos.
There we go. Nice and easy. Get it all on there. Then you're gonna throw it in the oven to melt. And we already got one that's looking pretty good. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's looking pretty delicious. Get a good look at that. Yum. Tater tots.
Oh, you forgot to put the other one in the oven, but okay.
Yeah, we'll do it in a second. That's all right. Yeah, just put on some lettuce, whatever. Whatever you want to do. You can skip the lettuce if you really don't want veggies. Just do meat, tots, and cheese. You absolutely can. We're not going to judge you.
Yeah,
that's why these are so good. And we got some sour cream just to top it off. If you really want to be awesome, you could use Uncle Dan's Chipotle Ranch for your sour cream substitution. There you go.
Take a bite.
Let's see if we can get a good bite here. Oh, goodness gracious. There's so much to dig through.
Oh my gosh, look at that. That looks yummy. Yeah?
That's really good.
Oh.
Turn the camera off. I want to finish this.
Okay.